The Gram Sabha meeting is convened under the chairmanship of Sarpanch Srimati Jennifer De Oliveira. Hello. As there is no quorum for the meeting after 15 minutes from the appointed time, the meeting is adjourned for half an hour. Srimati Teja R. Borkar, GRS BDO Tiswadi, appointed by the Block Development Officer Tiswadi as observer, is present. The Gram Sabha meeting started at 10:45 a.m. To read and confirm the proceeding of the previous Gram Sabha meeting held on 19/11/2023. VP Secretary read out the proceeding of the previous meeting held on 19/11/2023. The Gram Sabha members unanimously resolved to confirm the same, passed and approved unanimously. To approve budget for the year 2024-25. VP Secretary read out the budget for the year 24-25 in the presence of the Gram Sabha members present. Income. ₹4,03,09,452. Grants from government 56 lakhs. General grants 3,59,50,000. Proceed of taxes 2,68,49,561. Fees 47,50,000. Sale proceeds 51,000. Extraordinary receipts 1,18,30,000. Total receipts 8,50,30,561. Grand total is from the income side 12,53,40,000 rupees and 87 paisa. The expenditure administration rupees 71,10,000. Sanitation, public health and family welfare 1 crore 2 lakh. Public works 5 crore 10,50,000. Planning and development 5 lakh. Social welfare 3,50,000. Education and culture 3,60,000. Drinking water 2 lakh. Construction 1,50,000. Miscellaneous rupees 55,000. 55,75,000. Expenditure total is 7 crore 52 lakh 95,000. Closing balance 5 crore 45,000 13 rupees 87 paisa. So grand total is coming 12 crore 53 lakh 40,000 13 rupees 87 paisa. After long discussion on the budget, it is unanimously resolved to approve, passed and approved unanimously. To read and discuss the proposal received from the members of Gram Sabha. Received application from Inacio Pereira regarding unconditional apology to the villagers of its members present for giving false and misleading information to the press of the Gram Sabha of dated 31st July 2023 by Mariano Araujo for defaming its members. Second, unconditional apology to the villagers for bringing obstruction to the development of the village for publicity by filing false complaints on the place where new Panchayat Ghar is being constructed by President of Khazan Society of Goa, Mariano Araujo and Elsa Fernandez, is read out before the Gram Sabha. After long discussion on the subject matter, both the resolution placed before the Gram Sabha members for decision. Gram Sabha members raised their hands and approved the proposals in majority for seeking apology from Mariano Araujo. However, Mariano Araujo did not apologize since the majority is in favor of the resolution. In favor 54 Gram Sabha members, not in favor 6 Gram Sabha members. The said proposal approved by the majority. Received proposal from Mariano de Araujo. Discussion on open space violation made by Mr. William Gonsalves in survey number 4/3 Kujira village. As per the decision taken by the Town and Country Planning Department, the construction license issued by the Santa Cruz Village Panchayat has to be withdrawn and the villagers' right to their open space has to be restored to the confidence in the village administration. Provide the details of all approval granted in survey number 118/1 of Kalapur village for any development or construction activity if any such application for approval are received. The proposal placed before the member present. Sarpanch informed the member that it is there for the development of it. The survey number 118 of Kalapur village In 20-point program, the permission was given where the president was Mariano Arajo and he was president of Comunidad, and all the permission was given by him, and the property of Comunidad sold by him by making X party. Sarpanch informed the members, Sri Mariano Arajo, to ask the information under Right to Information Act 2005. At the same time, member Sri Mariano Arajo stated that why the proposal has been taken in Gram Sabha. Further, Mariano Arajo said, the Badwa Alya Gram Sabha, Badwa Alya. Gram Sabha member said, don't say Badwa to Gram Sabha members. Gram Sabha member asked Mariano Arajo to show who is Badwa in Gram Sabha. Mariano Arajo repeatedly said, Badwa Alya koi the. As there was no other matter discussed, the meeting was concluded at 11:28 p.m.
Propose कौन करता? Propose. Seconded by second is to discuss the matter, to approach and pursue the matter with Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority concerning wrongful classification of the land surveyed under serial number 531/1A, 531/2A, 532/11A, 532/12A, 532/13A and 532/14A of Kalapur village as Khazan land in the draft CZMP plan.
Madam,
2011 an जाला. पयलो थिंगासो लोक शेतां रोयतालो न्हू. पयलो पुर्वज शेत ते तेका लागून आमी मिटींग घेतल्या. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट जेन्ना आमी 2007 डॉक्टर विलियमान ही प्रॉपर्टी घेतलेली हेका लागून पंचायत घराक लागून. सो थिंगासोर मागीर ते mistakenly it is said that it is falling into Khazan land by the GCZMP. So these survey numbers which I have read out was initially in the name of the Comunidad Ana Maria Pegado, Lepol Sapek, Jose Caetano Braganza, Natalia Fernandez, Agapito Fernandez, Luis Braganza, Albina Braganza, who used it for farming activities to support their livelihood. According to the administrative records of the collector's office from the year 1971, the said land is known as Karif and not Khazan. So in 1971 it was Karif land, it was not a Khazan land. Even before that, in 2007, the land was acquired by the office of the deputy collector, for which the village panchayat paid rupees 2,33,688 to acquire the land for the construction of the Panchayat Ghar and market complex. In 2011, the Goa Coastal Management Zone Authority classified the land as Khazan instead of Karif without proper inspection, which is incorrect. The regional plan 2021 by the TCP classified the land as partly settlement and partly paddy field. It is evident that the land cannot be classified as Khazan land. All the villagers can see the land is agricultural and not Khazan land. तुम्ही सगळ्या लोकांनी पळयला आसतले न्हू आमची पंचायत प्रॉपर्टी हुंय हा पळय ती All are aware? All villagers are aware? तुमकां ती खजान दिसता? खजानाचे तुम्ही जाणा न्हू कितें हा खजानान कितें आसता तें जाणा न्हू खजान म्हणजे कितें तें जाणा न्हू सगळीं जाणा न्हू सो तुमकां जाय जाल्यार पळय आमचे फोटोग्राफ्स आहा हिंगासर you all can have a look at it the panchayat garache you all can have a look at it. Therefore, we have requested all the villagers today to come for this Gram Sabha to address the representation for correction is CZMP, Goa Coastal Zone Management Plan 2011 of Panchayat land from Khazan land to agricultural land and partly settlement. The villagers are hereby informed that the Honorable High Court in its order dated 5-8 August 24 on Monday, it was last Monday, thus mentioned, thus it is there for the Panchayat to take appropriate steps in accordance with the procedure prescribed for rectification of errors that has crept in if that is their case. So this is the reason we have called you all today, so that we can rectify this which is said as a Khazan land, we can rectify it, and we need your we have to put a representation for the coastal management zone. So who was in favor of the Panchayat Gar?
हेलो सरपंच सरपंच
नंबर 7286 कोणाची ब्लू कलर गाडी ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन करतो 7286 कार बोलेनो 7286
चेयरमैन एक सांग म्हाका हे आतां एजेंडा सेकेंड हो तुवें घालूंक लायलाय ग्रामसभा तुवें घाल्लाय वो तुवें केलाय वो सेक्रेटरीन केला
आमी लीगल वेट
ना 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 ऐक हांव म्हाजे क्वेश्चन तूं सांग म्हाका हे एजेंडा कित्याक तुवें सांगलां हे मॅटर हायकोर्टान आहा हे हायकोर्टान आहा म्हणजे हे मॅटर सब ज्युडिशियन घेवंक जायना
खूंय आमकां कोर्टाची ऑर्डर आहा
कोर्टाची ऑर्डर न्हू म्हाका तें उलयना म्हाका फकत
कोर्टाची ऑर्डर हाडल्या
म्हाका फकत
सब जुडिस आहा जाल्यार आमकां कितें आहा कोर्टाचें
तुका जावंक जाय तुका जावंक जाय पळय सेक्रेटरी
लिसन
चॅलेंज कर सेक्रेटरी एक आयक सेक्रेटरी
कोर्ट ऑर्डर आमकडे आमकडे कोर्ट ऑर्डर आहा
मानता तुजी कोर्ट ऑर्डर
मागीर ती वाज
सेक्रेटरी म्हाका सांग ग्रामसभा मीटिंग रूल 1996 पेज नंबर 247 रूल 10 तू वाजून सांग ग्रामसभा घालपाक
कोर्ट ऑर्डर आहा
ग्राम कोर्टाचें उलयना तुका 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 ग्राम पंचायत रुलार सांगता जेन्ना आयज असेंब्लीन पासून तर कोर्टान कितें आहा जाल्यार असेंब्लीन डिस्कस कोन्ना कोर्टान मॅटर आहा पळय तेन्ना कित्याक इट इज सब जुडिस
कोर्ट हैज गिवन अस ऑर्डर्स फॉर रेक्टिफिकेशन इफ यू अंडरस्टँड
तुका ऑर्डर दिना कोर्टान
चॅलेंज कर विथ द परमिशन ऑफ द चेअर तुमका हो टॉपिक डिसाइड करूंक जाय नाका लोकांक हाँ तुमका पंचायत घर जाय हो नाका तो कितें उलो तुमका जाय हो नाका एकलो सांगता म्हणून हो टॉपिक कोण जावचो ना आमच्या कलावरान पंचायत घर जाय तुमका हो टॉपिक उलोवंक जाय हो नाका
तुम्ही हे जे बरे तुम्ही एका जे आमच्या काजलँड पडटा म्हणून तुम्ही एक्सपर्ट हांगा लोकांक सांगूंक हाडला
आमी करेक्शनाक घालला बिकॉज इट इज नॉट कजान
चॅलेंज कर म्हणे जाले
म्हाका एक सांग हांवें जेन्ना एप्लिकेशन केल्लें 23 ऑक्टोबर 2023 तुका एप्लिकेशन केलें की तें काजलँडान पडटा तरी आसतना तुवें कितें केलें
तुका खबर नाहली पंचायत घराक लागून ही प्रॉपर्टी गेल्या म्हण 2007 तुका खबर आहली हो खबर नाहली?
तुका खबर नाहली तुवें इतले कितें केलें तर तुका खबर आहली जाल्यार हांवें फायल हांव आहा तेन्ना फायल हांवें एमएलए कडेन दिलेली फायल ते खजान्यान काडपाक ते मागीर ते एमएलए तो एमएलए नांव जबाबदार
आमी सॉरी कोत्ता
फॉलोइंग जावं पूण म्हाका एक सांग
करपाचें
म्हाका एक सांग
लिसन टू मी दुसरे
आता तो म्हणटा आपण जबाबदार काय मग याचा जबाबदार कोण सांगलाय त्याला
जबाबदारी घेऊन पुढे असं लागले
हे भाषेन ग्रामसभा उलोवंक ऑपोजीट हाडटा उलोवपाक हे भाशेन पण तू
opposite उलयना सांगता ते आयक Elsa was with us when we had taken this. She should have told us that time that it is Kazan land. आम्ही पुढे वयची नाहली. We would have done all the rectification and then God would have gone ahead. तू ऐकता सांगता ते
हांव तुजें आयकता माझे आयक तू म्हणटाय आपणे लीगल एडवाइस घेतला प्लेस द लीगल लेटर बिफोर द ग्राम सभा एडवोकेटाचे लेटर तू हे कर बोलय तिका सोड तू
कोर्टान चॅलेंज कर तू नॉट नेसेसरी
हांव उलयता ते आयको सेक्रेटरी रिकॉर्ड दिस आय एम आस्किंग ग्राम सभा तुजो लीगल एडवायझर कोण आहा एडवोकेट तेचे लीगल लेटर प्लेस
आम्ही विधानसभा गेल्या हे रेज्युलेशन आमका काजान नेतांतले काढून जाय म्हणून आम्ही काय
हांव सांगता तुमकां सगळ्यांना हो लीगल एडवायझर काढ म्हणटा हो कित्याक घेवन येवं म्हणून
अरे
हो कित्याक घेवन येवं म्हणून
हांव सांगता हांव प्लीज म्हाका एक दोन उतरां उलोवंक दिवची विधानसभा मागता
माझे कंप्लीट जावून ना माझे कंप्लीट जावून ना माझे कंप्लीट जावून ना बरें तू हांवें एप्लिकेशन केलें ते कजनल्यान पडटा म्हणून 23/10/23 सो तुवें सानादाचे पयशे भरले पयशे भरले डीसीपीक तुवें कंस्ट्रक्शन लायसन्सान पयशे पडले हे पयशे कोणाचे सगळे म्हणटा तुका गमले जाल्यार तुवें कित्याक फुडें गेले इतले करपाक
वी आर सेइंग यू गो अहेड
काजनल्यान तू
ग्राम सभा सेइंग यू गो अहेड
हो कोण ते
ग्राम सभा सेइंग गो अहेड आम्ही सांगता ग्राम सभा सांगता
म्हाका उलोवंक दिना
या क्वेश्चन इज नेगेटिव्ह
वाय नेगेटिव्ह पळय आयक
तू सांगता तुका पयशे कोणे भरला आम्ही सांगले का पयशे
ओय बरोय हांव कितें म्हणटा म्हाका कांयच ऑब्जेक्शन ना म्हाका ऑब्जेक्शन ना तुम्ही डिसिजन घेया कितें करा पूण एक सांगता ग्रामसभा लोकांक सांगता हे जेन्ना पंचायत सगळ्याकूच जाय
सोसायटीचा मेंबर
तुका पंचायत घर जाय जाल्यार ह्या टॉपिकाचेर कित्याक अगेन्स्ट उलयता हो टॉपिक डिसाइड जावंक जाय मरे तू अगेन्स्ट कित्याक तू म्हणटा पंचायत घर जाय तू चेअरमॅन हाय परमिशन घाला चेअराचे तू मला सांगपा कोण हाय परमिशन घाला चेअराचे तू मला सांगपा कोण नको आपल्या बरे तू सांगपा कोण तुका पंचायत घर वेगळो नाव जाल्यार हो टॉपिक डिसाइड करपाक तुका कितें प्रॉब्लेम हा तुका कितें प्रॉब्लेम हा तुझे प्रॉब्लेम तू सांग मरे
माझे एप्लिकेशन दिला पळय ते तुमकां दिला आता म्हाका एक सांग चेअरमॅन
तू म्हाका पयलो एक सांग तू खजान लँडाचो मेंबर I just want to know, you are the member of the Kazan society?
No.
You are not the member?
No. बरे आता माझ्या एक
मिनिट बोलच्या आधी एक मिनिट म्हाका लोकांक सोवल्या
माझ्या एक तू पहिले माझ्या व्यवहार करता
चेअरमॅन यू टू लिसन टू मी व्हेन आय स्पीक
माझे पहिले तू उलोवन काढले तुझे तुझो एजेंडा हे केलो तुझो एजेंडा तुझे एजेंडा ते
हांव सगळ्या लोकांक पयले सोद्या विचारूंक सोदता कोणाक पंचायत घर जाय कोण इन फेवर मातशें तुमचे हात वाचचे कोणाक पंचायत घर जाय
प्रॉब्लेम ना तुम्ही आमची नाव घाली नाका आम्ही सपोर्ट केला हे मॅटर सब जुडीस हे हायकोर्टान आहा
आता हांव मागता
म्हाका ऑब्जेक्शन
लोकां लागीं कोण कोण फेवरान ना पंचायत घराच्या लोकांक नाका जाल्यार हांव फुडें वचना तुमकां जाय हांव फुडें वयता
आमकां सगळ्यांक पंचायत जाय जाल्ली जाय पूण सारक्या जाग्यार जाय
म्हाका लोकांक विचारून नाका पावचें
आमकां त्याच जाग्यार जाय जागो तुमकां जागो आमी गोंयच्यान जागो दिला
जागो जाय मरे तुका आसा मरे जागो
दी मरे
हांव सांगता तूं जोच मरे आमी हाडून हांव सांगता तूं आमी हाडून जागो दिला पंचायतीक आमी दिला आमी दिला तूं वच खबर
अरे उलोवपाक म्हाका उलोवपाक जाय ना रे कित्याक काय जगान उलयता कित्याक काय जगान उलयता कित्याक काय जगान
Please stop on this topic. एजिटर मातशें एका भायर डिस्टर्ब करता
माझ्या एकूच आहे हांव लोकांक सांगता पळय आयक एकूच सांगता तुमकडे
हांव फकत मागता लोकां लागीं कोणाक नाका पळय तेणी आजोबाचो मराठ मातशी बॉस एक मिनिट शी इज नॉट रिस्पेक्टिंग द चेअर
पंचायत जाय कोण तुमकां एक सांगता जेन्ना मेटर सबडिव्हिजन आसा एज पर पंचायत रूल बुक पेज 247 रूल नंबर 10 क्लियर कट सांगता जेन्ना मेटर हायकोर्टान आहा ऑफिसार आहा तेच्यानी ग्रामसभा घेवंक जायना कांय जाणा तेणी कोर्टान आहा मेटर घेवंक जायना आतां तुमकां कोणाक हितून आमकां कांय ऑब्जेक्शन ना हांव आसलोलो जेन्ना स्पेक्शनान येयल्ले खजानाचेर
They don't have manners to take the permission of the chair. See the way they are behaving.
मेंबर तुमकां एकूच
Editor. भायर मातशें डिस्टर्ब करता पळय प्रसाद नायक
पंचायत
दिलीप माय कार्ड मराठा
माय कार्ड माझो
एजिटर माय कार्ड आतिलो ताका एक चान्स
ऐक माझे हांव लेखता आणि
हॅलो
पंचायतीच्या सरपंचान पोल्युशन बोर्ड लेटर मायक ऑफ जालो माय चलना हेलो पंचायती माती घाललेली पोल्युशन बोर्डान लेटर केल्ली सरपंचान ती माती ती आपणे घालूंक लायला आयज पंचायती ती माती काडपाक लायला कित्याक काडपाक लायल्या
ही सुद्री म्हणटाला हांव कंपनीचो प्रेसिडेंट आसलो बोलो
हेलो सरपंचाक तर गोमलेले 1000 लेणान पडटा जाल्यार हे कित्याक करूंक जाले तेका 4 लाख भरले कोणाचे पयशे कोण केला
आणि जागो इतको गेला तेन्ना पैसे भरना जागो इतको गेला तेन्ना पैसे भरना तेन्ना 1000 लेट म्हणून आसले ते
हांव तुमकां
तेन्ना 1000 लेट म्हणून आसले ते
तुम्ही कोण तुमकां कोणाक माहीत केलाय सायन मारूंक जाय सायन मारा पूण आमचे ऑब्जेक्शन ना द मॅटर इज इन द हायकोर्ट
आम्ही पळयतले आनी कोण पळयतलो ग्रामसभा एज द मेन राइट
Right. You just wait for some time. This is a very serious matter. See, आम्ही येयले आय हो अजेंडाचो रिगार्डिंग द नागालँडाचो कोर्टान हांव कितें घालय आमकां एज पर द ग्राम सभा आमकां कसलेंच डायरेक्शन हायकोर्टान हिंगा उलोवचें ना उलोवचें म्हणून सो वी हॅव आनी कोणाच्यानूच कितें उलोवंक जायना आमी फाल्यां हायकोर्टान सोबत डायरेक्शन दिलां आमकां पंचायतीक डायरेक्शन दिवंक ना ग्राम सभा करची म्हणून Boss को यहाँ में तो आज पता क्या तो आमका जेन्ना एक लँड एक्विजिशन केला ते लँड एक्विजिशन कित्याक लागून केला मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्स आनी पंचायत गार जेन्ना कलेक्टराची ऑर्डर लँड एक्विजिशन केला गव्हर्नमेंट वाला हे किंवा कंस्ट्रक्शन येताले म्हणून हेका आनी दुसरो उपाय ना जेन्ना लँड घेता गव्हर्नमेंटाक कंस्ट्रक्शन करपाक गव्हर्नमेंट वेरी वेल 2007 आणि आम्ही आता सांगता हो मारियान सांगता पळतो तेका पोलीस ऑथॉरिटीन आमकां सांगतात कोर्टाचे दॅट वी विल डिसाइड एंड द ग्राउंड सभा विल डिसाइड वी आर नोबडी वी हैव नॉट गॉट एनी डायरेक्शन फ्रॉम द हाई कोर्ट ऑफ बॉम्बे गोवा saying that you don't conduct the ground sabha we are nobody
hello आमका पंचायत जाई राजपाल आणि सगळो लोक पळय आता कोर्टान वयता जायते जाण हा स्टे ऑर्डर येवंक जाय न्हू स्टे ऑर्डर येवंक जाय स्टे ऑर्डर हाडला काय तर
कोण सांगता त्या भुरगे पण ते घालो सांगतात ग्राम सभा सांगना काय वी नो द कोर्ट मॅटर एवरीथिंग तुका ऑब्जेक्शनात तुका सेपरेट कोर्टात जोड आणि ग्राम सभा वी आर गोइंग हेड दिस प्रोजेक्ट आता this project have to go ahead.
I just want to talk about
Wait. It is not a this is serious matter. We have not gone in the court matter at all. We know what it is. So we are at the present we are going ahead with this project.
आमका आधी काय नका तू पास
Pass the resolution. By Gram Sabha.
ग्राम सभा रेजुलेशन
We are going ahead with that project.
कोण फेवरान ग्राम हेच्या पंचायत कराच्या
तू आतोय काढ
म्हाका फकत जाणा जावं ना पंचायत कराच्या फेवरान ना पळोवची
आम्ही सगळ्याचे करा ना.
So that means I have to assume that everyone is in favor.
Yes, go ahead.
yes
God वाला control
तुमच्या सपोर्टान फुडलो वयता क्लियर करपाक उरलेले फुडलो proposed by
clear time
seconded by
I'm requesting the chairman, but I also want to ask something regarding this point.
seconded by
Mario Brahman
Based on this second point, या पॉइंटाचेर काही जाणां माझी इंग्लिशीन एक वर्ड्स आहा पळय ती लायक मॅटर विथ गोवा कोस्टल झोन मॅनेजमेंट दुसरें म्हटल्यार कजन लँड इन द ड्राफ्ट CZMP प्लॅन सो कोण पळय इंग्लिश थोडी लोकांनी आमचे भाशेन सादी कशें आहा सो एक दोन पॉइंट मातशें एक्सप्लेन केल्यार बऱ्याक पडटलें सो आदर्स ऑल्सो नो द बेनिफिट
सगळ्यांक अंडरस्टँड जाला न्हू हांवें कितें सांगलां
गोवा कोस्टल झोन मॅनेजमेंट अथॉरिटी आणि एज कजान लँड इन द ड्राफ्ट CZMP प्लॅन चड पळय कोण
सेकंड केलें न्हू लोकांक एवरीवन नोज न्हू वॉट इट इज
दुसरा इशू घे
बट वी
to
डोंट
read and discuss the proposals received from
आपल्याचे पार्टी सोपले इधर चालू
of
असते
the Gram Sabha.
सेकंड इशू घे
Resolution from Gram Sabha of Santacruz Village Panchayat requesting the Commissioner of Linguistic Minorities Commission, India, Delhi to stop the discrimination done to Roman script. ऐकू येता न्हू सगळ्यांक? Silence please. Silence.
स्पीकर माझे पुढे आण
We then confirm the proposals received from the members of the Gram Sabha. Resolution from Gram Sabha of Santa Cruz Village requesting the Commissioner of Linguistic Minorities, Commission India, Delhi, to stop the discrimination done to Roman script by granting official script status to Roman script along with Devanagari by amending the Official Language Act. तुम्ही सगळी जाणा न्हू हे रोमन स्क्रिप्ट कितें पळय तें रोमन स्क्रिप्ट जाणा न्हू रोमी स्क्रिप्ट सॉरी resolution is given. I'm just reading it. The omission of Romi script is the official language act is considered as the greatest betrayal of the people's wishes, especially of the Catholic minority community who fought and 7 people died as martyrs to make Konkani as official language of Goa during the time of Konkani language agitation of 1987. It has long been 36 long years since that Romi script has suffered great injustice and discrimination from subsequent government that came into power. We do not understand that politicians are responsible for this divide and injustice to Romi script, and they will never amend the Official Language Act to make Romi script as official script of Konkani along with Devanagari for vote bank politics. Therefore, the Gram Sabha of the village is writing to the Commissioner of Linguistic Minorities, Commission Delhi, to give Romi scripts its rightful place in the Official Language Act as per section 29(1) of the Constitution of India. Under Linguistic Minorities Commission of India, Article 29 and 30 of the Constitution provides safeguards to linguistic protection of the minorities as their fundamental right. Under Article 29(1) of the Constitution, we are alleging script-based discrimination of the Konkani language as the Official Language Act of Goa recognizes only Devanagari as the official script of Konkani and has discarded the Romi script, which is mostly used by the minority Catholic community of our village and Goa. The Article 29(1) states that any section residing in India or any part thereof and having a distinct language has the right to protect and conserve the same. Under this clause, it is a fundamental right to protect the Romi script from discrimination. Therefore, as minorities, we are bringing this injustice to the attention of the Commissioner of Linguistic Minorities, Commission India in Delhi, that Roman script has been trampled upon last 36 years by the political powers for their selfish reasons and political gains. Due to this discrimination, Romi script is not allowed to be taught in schools, and children of the minorities community are forced to learn Konkani in Devanagari script, which they find difficult. Youth from the minorities community are deprived of government jobs due to lack of knowledge of Devanagari, even though they can fluently write in Romi script. Books written by authors in Romi script are not eligible for any government awards and are rejected. The state of Goa till today does not have any minority community cell to look into the many grievances of the minorities community, and we request the Commission of Linguistic Minorities to resolve the matter. So we are asked to take the resolution for this Romi script. You all have understood now what is Romi script. Romi script is this Konkani in English. So which the government is not this thing. So everyone is not aware. Everyone cannot write in Devanagari. Devanagari is that, I is that. So everyone is not means not confident to not this thing to in the. So we are told here to take the resolution and send it. So we are taking Gram Sabha resolution. All are in favor of the Roaming Scheme?
Second one, proposal, right? Second.
Nazario Savio D'Souza, a structure called Rakandar Cave near the market. A religious structure has collapsed due to rains, and the collapsed structure is lying at the side of the road, which is used by all religious communities who pray at the side by placing the offerings according to their benefits. A request from the market vendors' public interest to be forwarded to the concerned department, PWD Roads, to replace or relocate the said structure.
Relocate. It is on the roadside.
Yeah.
People are coming with vehicles.
ट्रॅफिक पिरियड जाता तिने ना
Please, 2 minutes. In the morning from 7:30 to 8:15, have you seen the traffic going from here to there? There are 30 teachers in the school. 28 cars parked on the road. There are 8 cars from the health center parked on the road. There are rickshaws parked on the roadside here. It is a hell lot of trouble for us to go to work in the morning. And in the market, next to the Rakandar, whatever it is there, I don't think so it is a legal structure. It must be old structure, whatever it is. But you see the traffic going from, it takes 8 minutes to go from this cross to cross the market. 8 minutes. आमका त्रास है. This type of structure should be relocated, not on that place. See, now you go and see how many cars are there. 4 गाड़ियों हैं, scrap type cars. Up there on the road. But Panchayat, I request the Panchayat not to give permission to build it there. Let them relocate somewhere else. I don't know which era you are all living in. I'm time important. Rasta में कितने रेट क्या नहीं? Rasta में कितने रेट क्या? Nothing nobody communal rights मांगे. You want to become make it another UP here? Thank you.
I put my I have put a proposal because it is falling down over there. I've seen it, and the road also is getting pulled down with that structure. So the road also will crack, and then everything will come down. So how are you going to rectify that? See, did you understand my point? I've sent you photographs. Am I pardon? Yeah, but because that structure was there, it has cracked the road down. Please go and check. I've given you photographs. Please check. I have suggested that you relocate it. So you can either do it with PWD or if you have got the funds in the Panchayat, do it. I put 2 points. I will read my first point.
Why Panchayat funds?
I have not finished my matter. Please.
Finish what doing?
I have not finished.
Finish it.
Finish it.
Finish it. Finish it. No, I'm not going to. I'm not going to get out.
I have put my
I'm going to finish it. You finish it. You get out. Yeah, you finish it.
finish public.
पुलिस का एक तो नहीं ना
No, this is what we got.
You don't have to be. You have to be talk to the chair.
Madam, this is not of public importance, please.
I put the first Panchayat Ghar, no doubt about it. I would like you to read that order of the court once again, please. Just read that order of the court once again. I want, because I don't have the order, can you please?
That topic is over now.
I will just get it. I'm not coming to fight. I'm not coming here to fight. I just need clarification.
See, three people had put the same thing, so it's been clubbed, and the answer has been given an agenda too.
No, what I'm trying to, I just want a clarification.
No, now, after any clarification, we can say.
How will you give clarification? Will you give me a clarification on the RTI after when I? Right, thank you. But I'm not satisfied with the first one.
Ignacio Dominic Pereira to be placed fear in the minds of villagers regarding selling of food items and tobacco products during the fair in Jan and May, and no toilet facilities provided as report by media, and allotment of stalls and process causing loss to Panchayat by outsourcing followed when you were the it is being followed when you were the deputy sarpanch.
माझा एक रिक्वेस्ट हा सरपंचाक आणि माझे सेक्रेटरी येयलो जाल्यार हिंगा टायम दिसलो बाबा 10 मिनटां 15 मिनटां तुमचे कितें हा पळय एक एक देवर तेका सोडून काय नाका माझा एक रिक्वेस्ट
मुनीस कामाक डिस्टर्ब करपा तिका करू
अरे इतलो टाइम द्या 10 मिनिटं टाइम द्या 5 मिनिटं
अरे मुनीस हायला डिस्टर्ब करू
बाटला झालेले
Silence, please.
With the permission of the chair, can I speak?
Yes.
So my first point is fears in the mind of villagers regarding selling of food items and tobacco products during the fair. During the fair of Jan and May, no toilet facilities provided as reported by media, and allotment of stall process causing loss to Panchayat by outsourcing. So Sarpanch, my issue is like you all have taken the quotation in the month of December for ferry. Very good. You all have followed all the process. I am not challenging the legal process here. I have a different forum to challenge that process. My this is a person like आम्ही म्हाका दिसता 10 लाख कोणी आमचो इनकम येता फेरयेक ओके 10,000 एक स्टॉलाचे चार्ज करता 100 स्टॉल आणली तो 10 लाख पण पंचायतीक जो फंड येयला तो 1,20,000 येयला so this is a loss to the panchayat so why not my suggestion is appoint a committee if you all cannot do you cannot bring more revenue to the panchayat appoint a committee who can bring more revenue to the panchayat
Like you, because you used to do now before also. When you was with us, we have followed the same procedure. And listen, we haven't done any expenditure in this. Expenditure आम्ही काय करू नाही इथून. आणि जो procedure आम्ही follow केला त्यांनाही तू आमच्या घरी आणलं.
I am telling you that I am not challenging in the process here.
Yeah.
I will challenge this process in the
You challenge,
so
but you want to
let
challenge.
us not speak the legality of
Yeah.
it. What is my suggestion is, can you bring more income to the panchayat? If you all can bring,
Yeah.
then the Gram Sabha. And if you all can't bring, appoint a committee who will bring
See,
more.
we'll try, no? We have to always give a try, no?
I want.
We'll try if we can bring more because it depends. Every year it's not the same thing. Every year स्वतः same stall असते, मी स्वतः तोहेच असते म्हणून ना, no? Every year it is different. तू आणला त्यांना कितलं येतालो पंचायतीक इन्कम येतालो?
Everything was under your signature, no?
Yeah. माझी
Under her guidance. I was not a servant of her.
मी तर कमिशन होता माझ्या उघड्याचा पाकिस्तान सोगल्या फेरीचे तूच पोहोचलो ना टेबल घालून दिला माझ्या उघड्याचा सोगले सायन मॅडम मारून कमिशन मग जेना फेरीचे पोहोचलो ना सगळे तूच पळयतालो
Read the mic. I want to listen from you.
सगळे तूच पळयतालो टेबल घालून दिना आता केली तुका मार पडले
That you have to answer in the court. That don't worry. That I will take care.
I am ready, no problem.
No, not you. But I'm
कोर्टाचे नाव घेऊन म्हणून घेऊन ना
कोर्टाचे नाव घेऊन घेऊन आहे कोर्टान वचोंक जाय डायरेक्ट कोर्टान
I'm not telling you the legality. I said no. You tell the Gram Sabha. Can you bring more income to the
we can try
Panchayat?
no we'll do our best we are doing our best
You're not telling me Mulana. You're not going that way. In the court.
Madam, can you bring more income to the Panchayat?
yeah I said no I didn't try I said no yeah I'll try my level best
Very good. Try. Second, stray dog issue creating fear in the mind of people. So everywhere there are stray dogs.
yes
So what is the Panchayat doing about the stray dogs?
Panchayat, I have spoken to the NGO Sweta Sadesai from the veterinary. So she has told me that they already have a MOU signed with the CCP, okay, and surrounding neighboring villages like the Meses, Taligaon, Santa Cruz, and Chibel. हे सगळे villages cover केलेले आहा. आणि ते न्हू येता इवन दो आम्ही पासून तेंका इन्फॉर्म करूंक ना जाल्यार पासून ह्यो जेन्ना ह्यो विलेजी तेंच्या हितून येता in this they come in each ward in each ward there are dog feeders ha no so te dog feeders tenga contact kotta te kapoita ani tenka sterilization kotta we can do at the most only sterilization te ek dis hotta ani ek dis tenka sterilize kotta dotta potte atta techa jagyar sotta and so ani dusre म्हणल्यार तेन सांगला की आता म्हाका ही जी NGO हा तेन will form a group, she said, with 11 punch members along with her. So you all can, each member can coordinate with her, like which दिसा तुमकां which wardan जा वयतो, and accordingly then you all can have a drive.
How long will it take, madam? Because I remember that we have taken a Bal Gram Sabha, if you remember.
Yes.
So in that Bal Gram Sabha also small children had put this issue.
Yes. So that's why I spoke to the veterinary. No? I spoke to her. And in Vasudha colony they are doing this drive, awareness drive. She told me that also. Bodhir she is doing it. These are the main places what she is doing. तुझ्या वडिलांचा एक तू member जातो न्हू तेन्ना, so you can instruct where you
Will it
want to
happen
come.
soon or it will take time?
Tomorrow she will come.
The third point is machinery and rickshaw lying in the open use, not in use, which is provided by the government for garbage management. आमकां लागांनी management garbage management करपाक machinery येयल्या. MRF कडेन ती open हा. ते what you are planning to do about it?
शेड चालू आहा ते SDM आमकां फ्री शेड बांदून दिता सगळी मिशनरी आमची भितर घालपाक थिंगा ते येवन मेजरमेंट्स सगळे घेवन गेले थिंगा आता पावस पडटा की तू जाणाय
रिक्षा मागीर शेडीन घालतले.
रिक्षा आमी कोण हें करतली अजून आमचें हें जावंक ना न्हू ड्रायव्हर अपॉइंट करपाक आमी मॅन पावर ना पडे सो वी हॅव आस्क्ड VDO
No, madam.
registration जावन आमचें we didn't get it.
Number of the vehicle is GS 357.
We haven't got no. We have to write to the VDO. Manpowers are Manga.
Okay, madam, you have got the rickshaw in the month of March.
Yes.
And it was lying there till June.
Yeah.
Open. Now you have removed a quotation for rickshaw in the month of June,
Yeah.
where we are paying 37,000 rupees, and that 37,000 can be used for driver and to do all the other things.
But in that rickshaw what we have taken, the rickshaw and labor zata.
And madam,
This is-
and the resolution secretary is taken wrong. Can you transport labor in the rickshaw as per RTO rule? Can you put transport? So the resolution itself is wrong.
तू हेच केलेलं मरे
Secretary, I have taken the resolution. I have
But it was followed when you were there.
Madam.
That only I am telling you. This fellow all when he is there with us, anything works. And when he is out, go now, his face works.
Secretary,
Not salesman only.
Secretary, the resolution what is taken, no? What I have done, you will put on me that I have done that. Who has wrote the resolution?
तू निघे की काय करणार त्या गोरों सामना दे निघे काय एक्स्ट्रा कालून
You have taken it.
Bob Downing,
You are the deputy sarpanch of this school.
I don't want to.
You are coming for the grant. You are coming for the grants of and discussing. Why are monthly meeting discuss for monthly meeting? You go for the monthly meeting. You are all in the relation. Then we are supporting grants by supporting you. You monthly meeting एक time हुआ ही ना. आज grants वाला का कोई तो monthly meeting है तो 5 members can support to discuss this matter in monthly meeting. And then come here. Why are you wasting our time? And then we will support you.
You cannot transport labor. You cannot. आता म्हणजे आता तुम्ही कोणता खालो आव्हान कोण खालो मला पण गाईड कोण नाही
करेक्शन करून झालंय ना.
आता करेक्ट करता मला करेक्ट करून नका करेक्ट म्हाका खबर नासली मागीर गमले म्हाका Can you put that?
All wrong procedures. And me now. They are all struggling there.
The resolution is taken is wrong. You need to correct the thing. And make sure things are put in proper.
Whatever corrections are there, we are ready to do it. We are not saying we cannot, we don't make mistakes. Need of police, Prasad Naik. Need of police station in the Sandaguru village, not in Old Goa. This approval we have already returned to CM and we are following it up. Provide details for discussion regarding the bush cutting and desilting done as monsoon preparation works for this year. Labors have been given for desilting by the Panchayat for all the 11 Panch members. Provide details for discussion of house tax and SOPO is paid by the roadside vendor selling fish in front of popular shop. Here the permission is being granted by the previous Panchayat, I think, for him. I don't know, but in detail if you want anything you can do Jan RTI galun sadun घेऊन जाता. See, this is it. Inspection दो या तू क्या हमका बोलो या पंचायती inspection दो या ना आपने शॉप पहले देने you hold an inspection शॉप पहले पंचायत निगम में का हम यहां बसन है कोई है एक्शन घेना बनाओ ना एक्शन के no sense में ऐसा बना No sense what you're talking. No sense. Yeah.
Second hand, desilting आणि bush cutting तुम्ही कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट दिता काय लेबर आणून दिला होता का एक पंच मेंबर का म्हणजे तुम्ही इथे सप्लाय तुम्ही 11 जण लेबर दिता पंच मेंबर लेबर दिता आणि त्याका काम जाय ते करून घ्या म्हणून सांगता आणि तुम्ही मास्टरला त्याका पेमेंट करू डिसिल्टिंग मागीर मास्टरला तुम्ही पेमेंट करता त्यांना लेबरांक पण तितले काम करा त्यांना आणि एक असा तसेच तेच विचारता सरपंच तेका कित्याक लागून विचारता पळय सरपंच दुसरे म्हणत जाल्यार पळय तुम्ही आता जेसीबी जाय कोणाक आता पंच मेंबराक एक जेसीबी जाय कोणाक धरा कोणाक जाय जाल्यार तुम्ही जेसीबी दिना
आम्ही जेसीबी
पंच मेंबराक आता नाला एका नाला क्लीन करपाक जाय नाला तुम्ही जेसीबी दिना
दिता
दिता मला कित्याक हांव व्हिडिओ पळयला हांवें खूब तो तो बाबा पिटू आहा न्हू तो एमएलए वाडटा एमएलए आपल्याक दिला थँक्यू एमएलए देव बरें करूं असो म्हणटा
ओके
तेका न्हू जाय तेका मातसो दिवचो तेका
पिटून म्हाका एक दीस तरी अप्रोच जालो पंचायतीन येवन पयले म्हाका सांग अप्रोच जाला जाल्यार हांवें तेका ना म्हणलें
कित्याक क्लियर हे जावंक जाय न्हू कित्याक खूब फावटी हांव पळयता व्हिडिओचेर
जाय म्हणून केन्ना सांगलें म्हाका
सरपंच एमएलए दिला कितें
आनी एमएलए दिला कितें जालें कितें पॉयंट
पळय म्हाका पंचायतीचो कांय बेनिफीट ना पण हांव सांगता म्हाका पंचायती बेनिफीट आनी हांव मागोयना हांवें कितें म्हणलां तुका
आन्सर मेळलो न्हू तेजी सायन हा मास्टर रुलार पयशे आयल्या पळय ते
पयशे ता जेसीबी उलयतालो
कांय बेनिफीट ना म्हणटा पंचायतीचो तो
तो म्हणटा पंचायत दिना कित्याक हांव दुसरे कडेन मागता म्हणून
आनी कोण मेंबर्स आयला ते पळय युटिलायज केले तो तुवें
ते म्हणटा तो जेसीबीचो म्हणटा
बेनिफीट ना म्हणजे कितें पंचायत बेनिफीट
दिता पयशे आमी ना म्हणना दिता तो म्हणटा कितें जेसीबी आमकां जाय पडटा कित्याकूय
तुवें म्हाका मागल्या मागल्या जाल्यार पयले
तुमी दिना जाल्यार म्हाका म्हणचो म्हाका केन्ना दिला सरपंच पळय मागयना तेका लागून हांव मागयना तुमकडे
तूं माग आनी
पळय हांव कित्याक मागना पळय तुमी पयले तुमी सांग मारून दिता न्ही कितें बरें मागले तुमी 4 म्हयन्यांनी सांग मारपाक आमच्या हाडून घालता तुमी 4 म्हयन्यांनी
आतां लेबर एक्स्ट्रा घालले
आतां उलयता हांव पयलींचे उलयता
लेबर आमकडे मागले
असली
चाल लेबर
अरे बाबा बस रे तुझाच आवाज येता हिंगा हांव बाय
लेबर आतां 2 महिने जाले आमी लेबर घालता एक्स्ट्रा
नेक्स्ट टाइम सरपंच दिता सांगले जेसीबी व्हिडिओ दाखय तू आता प्रेस करता बंद
अरे प्रसाद एक म्हाका सांग तो मिटिंगान कित्याक सांगो ना हे मिटिंगान घालूंक जाय न्हू हिंगा लोकांचे येवन मिटिंगान तो सांगो
ना मॅडम हांवें व्हिडिओ पळयला
व्हिडिओ तेका इन्शुरन्स जाले
तो प्रेस करता फक्त एमएलए म्हणटा एमएलए पावला म्हणला
एमएलए पासून केलो जाल्यार आमचोच न्हू एमएलए आमच्या गांवचो
आणि आमच्या टॅक्साचे पयशे सेव्ह झाले
आमचे सेव्ह झाले पयशे सगळे लोक टॅक्स पे करतात मागत जाल्यार आमी दिता तेका मागत जाल्यार तो आमकडे आमी दिता तेका
हॅलो दिले जायते मागता सारखे
कंप्लेंट दिया
Mariano Araujo provide details for discussion regarding the website of the Santa Cruz Village Panchayat not having any updated information. आमचे website is working updated.
तुम्ही आता केला पहिले नाल्ले
Okay.
थँक्यू व्हेरी मच पहिले काहीच नाल्ले आता हाय ऍप्लिकेशन देऊनच झालं ते
ना ना आमचे it was updated. Nazario will tell you.
टिकेट नाल्ले रे
ना ना त्याच्या पहिले नादारी
हवर अमाउंट ऑफ पॉइंट घालला तो हवर अमाउंट पॉइंट घालला रे कंप्लेंट घाली
हॅलो
Provide details for discussion on support tender advertise and
personal new house tax enforced by village from the financial year.
तो आणि एकल्यान कोणी घाला सो ते दोन्ही क्लब केल्या
Okay.
Provide details for discussion on the SOPO tender advertised and regarding who collected the SOPO from April, May, June and July of 2024. How much was collected in each of the above month and daily basis. Quotation was invited We had invited the quotation, okay?
No, for April to May.
Yeah. सांगता मरे पहिले सांगता
quotation आपयलेले?
पहिले आम्ही quotation आपयलेले होय सो ते quotation आपयले कोणूच येवना कित्याक रेट हायस्ट आसली म्हणून ओके देन आम्ही अपॉइंट केलो आमचो पंचायतीचो कित्याक आमचो पंचायतीचो स्टाफ
कोण पंचायतीचो
पंचायतीन अपॉइंट केलो
कोण तो सांग ना
Sebastião
म्हणून झाले मागीर फुडें काय ना
Sebastião Dias मागीर पंचायतीन अपॉइंट केलो कित्याक आमचो स्टाफ दोग स्टाफ आमचे बीएलओ वयता फ्रायडे सॅटरडे
You go ahead.
then after code of conduct came and after the code of conduct again it was tendered and put on the paper okay and then
ना हे चार महिन्याला लागून आख्या वर्साक
okay code of conduct च्या टायमार आमी ते अपॉइंट केलो
पेपरार ऍड घालून ना पेपरार ऍड घालून पयशे पडटा दिले न्हू
कितले पडटा
तुका खबर ना तुम्हाला
तू हे डिस्कस होऊन गेला
ते सांग म्हाका तू आता ते सांग
ते सोडले मा सांग ना पेपरार पयशे कितले पडटा
माहिती तुका येतात न्हू आता एप्रिल आणि मे आपण कितलो
एप्रिलान त्याने हे करूंक ना कलेक्शन कित्याक तो बरो नासलो
म्हणजे सोबत कोणाचो घेवंक ना
कोणाचो घेवंक ना एप्रिलान मागीर मेयान त्याने 14,680 घेतले आनी पंचायतीक दिले म्हयन्याचे मागीर जुनान त्याने घेतले 13,340 आणि जुलयान दिले त्याने 13,370
ओके मागीर आता तुम्ही टेंडर कितल्या काढला
आता 8 महिने उरल्या न्हू आमचे
ना तुम्ही ऑलरेडी टेंडर घाला न्हू तो कितल्या गेलो टेंडर येऊ ना
173
8 महिन्यान
होय आरटीआय घाला न्हू
आरटीआय घालपाक जाता पूण आता हांवें मागले न्हू मागीर
मेन पॉइंट मातशें वाचूया पयलीं गांवचे भलायकीचे पयलीं वाचूया
सो एल्साचो आणि माराठाचो फर्स्ट पॉइंट आम्ही क्लब केला माराठान घालला आता आम्ही एल्साचो हे घेता प्रपोजल So provide the basis on which the transfer of house tax amount is decided as rupees 25,000. Is it enforced anywhere in Goa? Transfer of house tax or आम्ही increase करून घातलो. This was taken in एप्रिलान घेतलेलो आणि हो पयलो ग्रामसभान हाडलेलो इश्यू पॉइंट नंबर 1 घे ना बांगडा घेता
केन्ना घेतला पयलो सांगते
सो सेकंड पॉइंट घेतला पयलो सेकंड घेतला
25,000 केन्ना गेल्या तुमच्या टर्माक गेल्या पयली गेला
25,000 केल्या मारा टाकलो त्या टर्माक डिस्टर्बन्स तुझी बाची बाय पिटूची बाय लागली प्रसाद आणलो सोनू आणले अरे दिस इज बीइंग डिसाइडेड इन द बॉडी मीटिंग ग्रामसभा तुम्ही करून जाले मीटिंग घालून ते आपण काय तू चॅलेंज कर चॅलेंज गो फॉर एन अपील
सरपंच डिस्टर्बन्स आहा जाल्यार आय विल ड्रॉप माय क्वेश्चन्स डिस्टर्बन्स ना जाल्यार वी कॅन डिस्कस because I can't discuss in this unhealthy environment. I need peace of mind. It is absolutely unhealthy. It is actually criminal to be participating in the Gram Sabha like this. I need peace of mind. I need well-being. I need my time. I need my time. See, this is exactly what is happening. Everybody is coming and disturbing. Everybody is coming and disturbing. Everybody seems to be having questions. Nobody puts agenda. Nobody puts agenda. Nobody puts proposal. Everybody wants to discuss on other people's proposal.
Criminal voting.
If these people have proposed
we stop them from putting proposal? Did we stop them from putting proposal? Why are you disturbing proposal, Governor?
Army criminal, no. Army criminal. Don't
Why am I being disturbed? Why am I being disturbed? Why am I being disturbed?
Army criminal.
Why am I being disturbed? You stop the Gram Sabha. Please stop the Gram Sabha. Stop the Gram Sabha. This is disturbance. This is abnormal. This is abnormal. Raising the voice. Raising the voice. You think we can raise voice? Why they are raising voice? Why they are raising voice? Why they are raising their voice?
You listen to me. You said
I am listening, but I do not want disturbance.
the way you talk to people.
That you are telling me? I am the first person talking like this.
This is the way you talk.
I am the first person talking like this here.
See, you are a teacher.
Almost 1 hour झाले आता. एक war झाले. मी सगळे येऊन talk मारता. But nobody is told about how to talk. But you want to address me only on how to talk. Is it? Are you saying that you are addressing me and telling me how to talk? Please tell me how to talk so that the others also can understand how to talk in a Gram Sabha. Please tell me how to talk. Please keep quiet, everyone.
अरे मासे बसा मध्ये आहे का होय मागे तू बोलून नाही उभे मध्ये अरे मौजे तो नाही हो काय बाकी नाही तेवढं मागे उभे तुम्ही तेवढं नाही असे उभे राहिले तेवढं ए मागे जाऊ ए अली अली अरे कोणते
Please come here. Elsa, inga boy. Inga ubero. Why you saying criminal for Gram Sabha members? Why you said criminal? How you said criminal to the people? Ellie says sorry, no? This is the way she is saying criminal to the villagers, Gram Sabha members. Everyone has witnessed you. I didn't say I am not taking. I have taken all the agendas. Third, please. She said criminals. She said criminal to the Gram Sabha members.
This is not possible. In this Santa Cruz Gram Sabha, no, nothing is possible. You see this? Questions are there. Questions are being asked. See this? This is the state of Santa Cruz Gram Sabha. Normal Munchani ila attend ka upanna. Mailani ko attend ka upanna.
That guy is coming and yelling in between when she is talking. How is allowed? You are coming and talking to me. Listen to me.
The presiding officer cannot control Santa Cruz Gram Sabha. Presiding officer cannot control Santa Cruz Gram Sabha.
आपका टाइम वेस्ट करना मन के पोसा
Everyone sees the reason why I have put a police complaint that there is a law and order situation in Gram Sabha. I have put first only, but there is no lady police now. You see, the police were there are two men police are come, male constable. There is no lady police. If something happens to me now, I will be attacked. Last time I was attacked. And now I have got a complaint and two male police are there. I am not safe. I am not safe to ask questions. I am a lady. I am not safe to ask questions. I am not safe.
Thank you everyone. Gram Sabha is over.
Elsa,